Hi everyone, welcome to Tuesday Tutorials. Today we are going to demonstrate the tree pose, which is also called Vrksasana, and it's really good for focus and a strong and erect spine and memory, right? So my friend will be demonstrating. First we'll show how to do it, and secondly I will show you if the first one is difficult, a little variation that you could try, and thirdly I will show you what you should not do. Okay? Alright, so first we're going to come into a mountain pose. That's Tadasana. So hands like that, feet together, spine erect. Then you're going to gently move your right foot while looking at a point in front. That is very important. Then you're going to place your right foot, use your hand, take it all the way up as much as you can. And don't worry if you're moving around, that's completely normal. You're going to look in that point and stay. Then with your breath, inhale all the way up and you're going to hold. Then you're going to hold this pose for 30 seconds if you can, or 10 into 3, and you can increase if you can. Then when you're coming down, you're going to exhale, hands gracefully down while looking at the point, and then the leg down the same way that you went out. Then you're going to repeat it to the other side, right? And while you're holding the pose up, you're going to breathe normally. Please don't hold the breath, right? Now I'm going to tell her to demonstrate the other side, a variation that you could do. One will be closer to your ankle, the other one on your calf muscle, right? So first Tadasana, that's it, pick that point. You're going to move your left foot and place it near your ankle. And when you're ready, inhale, hands gracefully up, and you're going to hold the pose, right? Then when you're coming, breathe normally, then coming down, exhale, and hands down. And then the foot goes down the same way. So with yoga, it's discipline, the way you go, you need to come back. It's also kind of a form of meditation, right? So now the second variation, that if this is too easy, you can do another one. So you're going to again Tadasana, pick one point, you're going to move your left foot and place it on your calf muscle, but not on your knee. See, not there, but little down, below your knee, right? Then when you're okay, you're going to inhale, hands all the way up, and you're going to hold the pose. Then breathe normally, then exhale, the breath is important, gracefully hands down and leg down the same way you came. Then once you're done, hands apart, feet apart, and we're going to deep breathe. So you're going to close your eyes, relax any area you're feeling tense or you felt that you stretched a bit more, could be your ankle. Then visualize all the benefits coming into your body, your mind. You know, relax your shoulders and send the healing energy, send the relaxation energy to your ankles. This is a very important step. And you're done. So with regard to the time frame, as I said, you can do 30 seconds or 10 seconds first and then keep doing it 3 times. And if you are feeling that you're wobbly, please make sure you're looking at one point and try. And if you fall, please don't worry, we all fall. Just keep trying back, right? Trying it right back. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, DM me or comment below. I will see you soon. Bye.